to possession, and whose, when translated to Shona, becomes ndechani, or ndeani, or nderani, or ndejani. As you can see, whose has got quite various translations, but you can see what's the different thing on these translations is the middle part, and this middle part is determined by the class of the Shona noun that you are dealing with. We are going to do a video on Shona noun classes in the future, so please stay tuned on this channel. We're gonna release that video soon, which will help you in further understanding this concept in Shona. So, but we are going to do some examples for each and every one of these translations so that you get a better understanding. So let's start with one of the examples.